so we've got our coil packs removed. We're going to pull the spark plugs out. We want to keep everything in order, so I have my bench set up here. I got the coil packs in order, and we're going to keep the spark plugs in order so we can read them. So if there's one cylinder that has a problem other than the others, we can tell where it came from and some diagnosis. So let's get the plugs out. Okay, so we got our plugs on the bench here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and as soon as we pulled them out, we could actually see that the plugs are soaking wet with fuel, very, very strong fuel smell. So we know that the injectors are spinning, so we got spark, we got fuel. We're going to go ahead and do our compression test to see how much cylinder pressure we're building, and we'll go from there. Now to see how long this, or how much fuel it's been spitting down in the cylinders and not actually running, you can pull the dipstick and you can check the oil level, but you can also check if it smells like fuel. It smells like fuel to me, so that's not a good deal.